Greetings everyone, welcome to Isperfect Business YouTube channel. Today's video is all about the question some of my viewers are asking me regarding how to take a proper measurement for live water, which is producing soda soap for your business. So guys, without wasting much of our time, this is just a short video. Please watch this video to understand what I am saying. In soda soap making, we don't use kilogram or kg while producing soda soap or live water. Especially your live water, we deal on measurements. We don't use kilo by kilo or grams by grams. Now, while producing your live water, you have to take a measurement cup. If you are using a cup like this, make sure your cup is from 1 kilo or whatever you are using to do your measurement of caustic soda is the same cup you use for measurement of your water. Don't use a separate cup. For example, you use this cup for caustic soda. Once you fill the caustic soda, if caustic soda is full and you turn it inside your bowl, you are using 4 cups of water. That same cup, you use 4 cups of water to mix it. So we don't use kilo. You don't say if you are using kilo and you want to mix it, we deal on measurement, not kilo. Because if you are using kilo, you don't know when you mix it, when it's over mixed and when it's not over mixed. That's why we use measurement. Hope you guys understand it. We don't use kilo in producing live water or soda soap. We deal on measurement. So I hope you guys understand this video. For those of you who are asking the question, hope people are be able to get the answer correctly. Don't use kilo to do measurement. You use your cup. If you don't have a cup, use a small bowl or anything. And please make sure you always watch my video from the beginning to the ending so that you can be able to understand it. I believe most of you did not watch the video from beginning to the end. You are just skipping. That's why you don't get the video right. You don't understand some things. Please watch this video very well so that you can be able to understand. Let me explain it one more time. Once you are using cup to do your measurement of caustic soda, your caustic soda should be 1 cup of caustic soda, 4 cups of water. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell. Share it so that other people can be able to get this video. Thank you.